All right, guys, so I want to show you why we canceled Bikes and Breakfast today. I just put the bike away after making this video. I changed into my workout clothes. I'm heading out to the gym, which is at the house, and look what's happening. So good thing we canceled it, because we'd be riding back home in this beautiful white stuff. Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning. Cycle Fanatix here. 6:30 a.m. I had to call the Bikes and Breakfast off. We have potentially 1 to 3 inches of snow rain mix coming in at around 10 a.m. and it's just too far of a ride out for everybody to come on out. And then potentially, if it starts anytime sooner, we're going to be stuck up there and just not safe. So I called it off, but Cycle Fanatix is going to give you a pretty cool video for you guys today. If you guys ever wondered how fast a almost 900-pound Road Glide Special with a Stage 2 is, you're going to find out. But before we do that, do me a favor, click that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. Click the bell so this way you guys get notified of all upcoming new videos. And stay tuned, sit back, and enjoy the video. All right, guys, so I have the 360 camera set up over there. Have the GoPro on my helmet, and I have the DRAGGY here. If any of you guys aren't familiar with a DRAGGY, it's a GPS tracker right there, which basically records time 0 to 60, a quarter mile, eighth mile, almost every kind of parameter that you want. Let me just adjust this microphone. But it's, you know, people ask how accurate it is. It's very accurate. There's videos on YouTube with people at the drag strip. They go down the quarter mile, and then they compare the DRAGGY to the time slips at the at the drag strip, and they're literally dead on. So that's how accurate it is. But we're gonna take a short ride here over to Mexico, and just so I show you guys, just so you guys understand, just so you guys see how fast a big machine is like this with a Stage 2, and then you could basically from that compare it to whatever you want. So very early, gotta roll it out. And you see there's ice on the sides, but the roads are pretty clear. But it's not going to be like that in about, I'm going to say, 2 hours. So that's why I called the Bikes and Breakfast off. Some people are coming, like Glenn is coming from 30 minutes actually west of us, so he would have even a longer ride. So it's just not safe. I have the DRAGGY recording right now just to show you guys. It's 32 degrees right now. It's not cold. Maybe for a lot of you guys it is, but this is, I don't mind riding in this weather. But the roads, as you can see, they're pretty. Yesterday was a pretty nice day. We actually hit about 52 degrees, so it was pretty nice. And this DRAGGY, as you can see, it's recording already. I did a couple runs actually on my 2019, the Black Road Glide. And I did those numbers. I can go back and take a look at them and compare. But I pretty much know what the bike can do, 0 to 60 in quarter mile. It's not going to be as good as numbers recorded in the summertime, because I'm just not going to push it that hard, because the roads are cold, tires are cold. But I just want to give you guys a number just so you guys understand and really see what one of these machines can do. Bike is running crisp in this cold weather. Even another example, Big Guy was going to come out with us actually on the Bikes and Breakfast, but he's about 15-20 minutes west of me, and his whole block at the end is ice covered, and the main street by his house is actually pretty icy, so certain areas still didn't dry up. But here by me it's fairly dry. Everything's fairly dry. And that dog's getting nervous. But we'll do a draggy run. I'll show you guys the times, and we'll stop, go have a cup of coffee by my lonesome, and we'll head back home and wait for another storm. But this is the Northeast for you. Past couple years, it's been fairly good. It hasn't really snowed a lot. Hasn't really been super cold as like years ago. Seems to be getting warmer. I know you guys down in Florida be like, that's warm to you? But I told you guys I was going to put out a video, and you know, I have to do it. So right there, winter weather today. Plan ahead. Be prepared. Yeah, but the highways are pretty dry now. But that's going to change very fast. In another 2 hours. And then a little more north and west of us, they're going to get 3 inches or over. So I'm gonna reset this.
Round one, race.
Alright, so I have some times recorded there, which I'll go over with you later. But again, you know, conditions aren't perfect, obviously. So don't comment, oh, it's wet, it's cold. You know, I understand that. I'm just trying to give you some numbers. Listen to that. So I'm going to reset it one more time. And we'll do one more time, and that's it, just so you guys could see.
Round two, race.
So no traction, but at least you guys got understanding in this type of road environment right now. 32 degrees, 2020 Road Glide, stage 2 with a 114, and obviously the numbers, they would just get better. Just on launch, in first gear just now, I mean, that's fishtailing. Can't really get a good launch. Oh, but it sounds good. Listen to that. Stop and get a cup of Joe. And then, my friends, we are going to go home. All right, let me get a cup of Joe. I'll look over the numbers and then explain to you what we got. All right, guys, so as you've seen it, in these conditions, 0 to 60, first run 4.5, second run 4.6, 0 to 60. Quarter mile, first run 13.1, second time was 13.0. So I did achieve better numbers on the black road glide, but that was in the summertime. When it's hot out, I'll be doing some more runs, but I figure I have to give you guys a little video today. I haven't been on the bike probably in about a week and a half, 2 weeks, and you guys haven't seen a video, so at least you guys could hear the exhaust, see the bike running, and just kind of get an idea as far as the times. 13.0 in the quarter. The M2 will definitely beat it. 0 to 60 on the M2 is, I believe, 4.2 stock. That is stock though. On the M2, 4.2. So the M2 would still beat it, but it's still fast for a almost 900-pound machine. That's pretty damn good. So until the next one, guys, thanks for watching. Share this video, hit that subscribe button, and as soon as we get some better weather here in the northeast part of the country here, we're going to be doing some ride videos. And believe it or not, it's actually, some snowflakes are actually coming down now, and we're gonna put this beast to bed. So until the next one, guys, check you guys later on the next video on Cycle Fanatics. Peace out, guys.